Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss logical connectives, simple and compound statements. Okay. Firstly, we are going to discuss the definition of logical connective. The words or phrases which are used to connect two statements are called लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्ज. वर्ड्स किंवा फ्रेजेस जर कनेक्ट करण्याचा यूज आपण लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्हजनी करतो. ओके. अँड द कनेक्टिव्ज आर अँड, ऑर, इफ, देन, इफ अँड ओनली इफ, अँड लास्ट नॉट. मीन्स 5 connectives: and, or, if, then, if and only if, and not. Okay. Then next we are going to discuss simple and compound statements. What is mean by simple statement? A statement which cannot be split further into 2 or more statements. A statement which cannot be split further into 2 or more statements is called a simple statement. Means एखाद्या स्टेटमेंटला आपण सिंपल म्हणजे स्मॉल सिंपल स्टेटमेंट्समध्ये स्प्लिट करू शकत नाहीत अशा स्टेटमेंटला काय म्हणायचं? सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट definition: compound statements. If a statement is the combination of 2 or more simple statements. Simple statements means which cannot be split. Okay. 2 or more simple statements, then it is called a compound statement. What is mean by compound statement? We join 2 or more simple statements by using connective, then we call it as compound statement. Okay. Then let's see example. 3 is a prime and 4 is an even number. Here this is one simple statement: 3 is a prime number, and second simple statement is 4 is an even number, and these two statements are joined by this connective and, therefore it is a compound statement. Okay. Then next example: 3 and 5 are twin primes. Okay. Here and is used for showing two numbers in combination. 3 and 5 are twin primes is a simple statement which cannot be split into 2 statements. Therefore, we call it as simple statements. Okay.